In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Conduit's AI-powered map designer to load this data file into a SQL database. In Conduit, let's create a map. First, we'll create the source and leverage our sample file to learn more about it. Next, let's connect to our database that we'll call staging. Make sure we've got a good connection. Create our staging table, click Save, and our map is complete. As we close out of this, we can execute the map. Once complete, we'll check SQL database to see that a staging table was created and that we have data within our staging table.